Good morning, student. I am Mrs. Amita Rajdan from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabua. Welcome to our maths class. So, children, as you know that our third chapter multiplication and division is going on. In previous video, we studied about how to multiply the 4-digit number with a 2-digit number and with a 3-digit number, and 5-digit number with a 1-digit number and with a 2-digit numbers. Now today we will start exercise number 3.2, that is based on multiplication techniques. How to solve the multiplication with a multiplication techniques. So children, let's see how we solve. Multiply the following using multiplication techniques. In this technique we do the multiplication not as we do in a simple way, but using a short tricks. So let's see how we will do. Children, as you know that how we multiply 4552 with a 11. In general way, how you do? 4152 multiply by 11. So 1 2s are 2 and 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, 1 4s are 4. Again tens place, 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5 and 1 1s are 1 and 1 4s are 4. Plus it 7, 6, 5 and 4. Generally you do in this way. Children, in this method we do the multiplication by adding the each digit to the next digit. So see, always remember that you plus the every digit to the next digit. In first step, start from ones place. So first digit you write as it is. ये 2 नंबर है, इसको हमको एज इट यहाँ पर राइट डाउन करना है. अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ टेक 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Again 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 4 is remaining here. So 4 here, no number is here, so we write 4 as it is. Understand children? This is the short method and short trick to do the multiplication. This method you can apply only when you multiply any digit with a 11. जब भी हम कोई नंबर को 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तभी ये वाला ट्रिक आपको फॉलो करना है. अंडरस्टैंड. मल्टीप्लाई द फॉलोइंग यूजिंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेक्निक. Children, if it is given in the question that multiply using the multiplication technique, you can apply only this trick. Don't do like this. Understand? Now let's take another example. Six, 5, 4, 2, 7 and 2. Plus every digit to the next digit. So ones place digit you write as it is 2. Understand? Now 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So 9 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to again 9. 2 plus 7 8 9, again 7 plus 2 9, then 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So 11 we write here 1 and carry forward to the ones here. Carry forward to the ones here. So 6 plus 1, here no number is here. So we add this carry to the 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So this is the answer. 2 plus 2 as it is, 2 plus 7, 9, 7, 8, 9. Then 7 plus 2, again 9. Then 2 plus 4, 6. Now 4 plus 5, 9. Now 5 plus 6, 11. 11 write down carry. 1 here and 1 to the carry. Now 6 plus 1, 7. Understand? Now take another example. Eight, 9, 5, 6, 5, 0. Plus. This method is given in your book, page number 100. In page number 100, exercise 199 page number. So how we will do this? Ones place digit, write down as it is 0. Now 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Now 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So where we write the carry? Where we write the carry here? At the place of 6. When we take any number, जब भी हम किसी भी नंबर को लेकर उसके नेक्स्ट डिजिट पर हमको यहाँ पर कैरी फॉरवर्ड करना है. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ 6 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 7. 7 प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 7 प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 12. Carry forward to the next place. Understand? Now 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Now carry forward to here. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Now carry forward to the here. Now 8 plus 1, 9. Understand? Each and every digit to प्लस टू द नेक्स्ट डिजिट. हर डिजिट को हमको नेक्स्ट डिजिट से प्लेस प्लस करना है. अंडरस्टैंड? Now take division. Division you also studied in previous classes also. What is division? Division is a equal sharing and grouping, or division is a repeated subtraction. For example, 6 pen. 6 pen divided to 3%. Divided in 3 groups. So 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is equal to how many times we read the table of 3 to get the number 6. So 3 2 ja 6. So each person will get the 2 pen. Here group is 3. So this is the terms of division. Terms of division. Dividing. What is dividend? The number which is divided, the number which is to be divided. Here dividend is 6. Here we write dividend is 6 and the number by which we divide the dividend, जिस नंबर से हमको डिवाइड करना है वो है डिवाइजर, that is divisor means 3. And how many time we read the table of 6 to get the dividend. हमने इस नंबर को इस टेबल how many time कितनी बार रीड किया है, दो, so we get number here 2. So quotient is 2. That is 2 here. Understand? And after dividing any number, we get leftover number is called the remainder. For example, we do this in another example. Take another example. Divided by 2. Listen here. So 2. Here 2 is a divisor and this is the dividend. So how many times we read the table of 2 to get the number 4? First we consider one digit number. It is great. If it is greater than divisor, then we will take only one digit. If it is not greater, then we consider next digit. Understand? Now 2 2s are 4. We will take number equal to the dividend or less to the dividend. So 2 2s are 4. Minus it. 4 minus 4 0. We will take 8 here. Now 2 4s are 8. Minus it. 8 minus 8 0. Again 6. So 2 3s are 6. 0. Here remainder is 0. Here remainder is 0. Now this is quotient. And this is dividend. And this is divisor. It means division is equal grouping और शेयरिंग. किसी भी चीज़ को हमको इक्वल ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करना, पार्ट में बांटना. Now multiply with the 15th digit by using the multiplication techniques. Here method is different from the method that we use in the multiplication by 11. So here what we do, step first. First we multiply the dividend with a 10. 8, 9, 2 multiply by 10. So when we multiply any digit with a 10, 100 and 1000, put the number of 0 to the dividend. So here 8, 9, 2 and 0. Understand? Now this number, step 2, this number divided by 2. Divided by 2. So divide it here, we divide 8, 9, 2, 0. Divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. Equal number we will take or less number we will take. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 here. So we will take the less than. How many times we read the table of 2 to get the less number of 10? 9. So 2 again, 2 4s are 8, because 2 5s are 10, that is greater than 9. So 9 minus 8, 1. Again 2 we write here. So 2 6s are 12. Again 0 0, and this 0 will take here. So 2 zeros are 0. Understand? So we will get this number. Now step 3. 8 9 2 0 plus 4 4 and 6, plus it. 0 plus 0 0. Now 6 plus 2 8. Now 4 plus 9 13. Carry over 1 4 5. 5 plus 8 13. This is the answer. So we plus here. आप लोग इसको यहाँ भी प्लस कर सकते हो. 0 6 plus 2 8. 9 plus 4 13. Carry over 1 8 9 9 10 11 12 13. Again 13. Understand? Now take one more example. Four 6 9 multiply by 15. Again what we will do? First step is multiply by 10. 4 6 9 multiply by 10, that is 4 6 9 and 0. Understand? Now what we will do? In second step we divide this number with a 2. 2 6 9 divided by 2. See, we divide here. 2 2s are 4. Now 6. 4 minus 4 0. 6. 2 3s are 6. Again 6 minus 6 0. We will take 9 here. So 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 1 8 1. So 0 here. 10. Now 2 5s are 10. 0 here. Understand? So we will get the quotient. This 2 3 4 5. Then we plus both the number. 4 6 9 0 plus 2 3 4 5. Now don't plus both the number. How many will get? 5 plus 0 5. Now 4 plus 9 13. Carry over 1 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 6 10. Carry over 1 here. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 7. So this is the answer. Here we write therefore 4 6 9 multiply by 15 is equal to 7035. This is the answer. Now you can plus it in here. आप लोग इधर प्लस कर सकते हो इसको. फाइव प्लस 0 5. 9 plus 4 13. Carry over 1. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 3 10. Again 5. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. So this is the answer. So and match the following is here, multiplication with 11 and 15, that you can easily do. So complete your work, written work with the PDF, and now in next video we will learn more about the division.